Hi, I'm Nick Baker. Let me introduce you to my snail world. What do you mean you want to keep snails as pets? That's the sort of comment I get most of the time when I tell them about my snail world. But it's not so strange, is it? After all, you can go into a pet shop and hand over hard-earned cash for an exotic snail like this giant African land snail. However, there's not a lot of difference other than size between this and animals much closer to home. And let's face it, slugs and snails in our gardens get a pretty bad rap. But how much do you really know about these animals? Well, that's what this kit is all about. It's everything you need in order to learn a bit more about the real truths of this rather fantastic group of creatures. Now, we have an enclosure, which is a vivarium. It's a very narrow vivarium. It allows you to see in all angles, but at the same time it keeps your animals safe. It keeps the humidity up so they can remain active and healthy, and it's just a mechanism, a way of actually looking and studying and enjoying these animals and seeing them for the individuals they really are. Inside your kit you've got a few other little extra things that make you help you get the best out of your snails, your new molluscan friends. We have a hand loop. We've got a little collecting pot in here as well as forceps for picking up the slightly more difficult specimens, and a pipette for monitoring and maintaining those moist conditions that your mollusks are going to like. And really, the magic itself, though, is not in the stuff you get in the kit. It's about the creatures that you are going to go and find and understand. And with a little bit of time spent watching your slugs and snails in your snail world, you really will develop a whole new understanding of this often misrepresented group of creatures.